How to use the GRIPSTIC. Say hello to your new best friend. Using the GRIPSTIC is easier than you think. Here's how to get that perfect seal every time. Step 1. Fold and crease. Fold the open end of the bag and make a single crease. Step 2. Insert guide. Place the yellow inner guide under the edge of the bag fold. Work with the fold. If the bag has a seam, slide in the direction of the seam to ensure GRIPSTIC glides smoothly. Step 3. Slide. Slide the GRIPSTIC across the top of the bag, making sure the bag feeds between the inner guide and the outer sleeve. Halfway through, compress the bag to push out extra air. This helps food stay fresh longer. Step 4. Remove. To open the bag, simply slide the GRIPSTIC off in the opposite direction. If it comes in a bag, seal it with GRIPSTIC. 5 sizes to lock out air and moisture for any bag in your kitchen. 1 tool for every space: fridge, freezer, or pantry. That's it. Designed to be easy, built to be versatile. GRIPSTIC. Products for living, products for life.